Maleniumm video. Quick warning, it is very loud outside. We're having some air show this weekend here, and I guess they're practicing for it. So they've been flying all day long and it's extremely loud. Also, sorry about my hair. I got out of the shower and just decided to start packing. My hair is dry now and looking a hot mess. So I'm leaving on vacation tomorrow, and since I am packing, I thought I would show you what I carry in my travel bag with me. If you're interested and want to see how I pack, then just keep watching. Alright, so here is my travel bag, and this one's brand is Modella, M-O-D-E-L-L-A, but they do sell it for the original price, which I believe is like $17 or $18 on Amazon. I just thought it was really cute because it's see-through, so you know where everything's at, and it has like such a cute pattern. It has little polka dots all over, and then it has like lipsticks, nail polishes, perfumes. Alright, so I'm gonna go through this bag like if I was packing it. So usually when I start packing my makeup, I go through my makeup like if I was putting it on my face, that way I don't forget any steps. So first off, my Keihls Ultra Facial Moisturizer. I love this. This is my daily moisturizer. It's super hydrating, leaves like a little tacky feeling at the end, so you could even use this as a primer. I am still taking my primer, and I chose to take my Revlon Photo Ready Pore Reducing Primer because this one pretty much is my favorite primer. I do think that it reduces my pores as much as possible. And then I'm taking my favorite foundation ever, which is the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. For concealer, I am taking my Tarte Shape Tape because you, me, and the entire world know that this is like the most popular, best concealer ever. And next, I like to set. So I'm going to take Rcma powder. I can bake with this, and I can also set my face with this. So I'm definitely taking him. And for bronzer, I am taking my Park Avenue Princess palette. I really wanted to take this one because it has so many options. I have all these bronzers, and you even have your setting powders as well. And then I have my Anastasia blush kit. I wanted to take this one because it has many options as well. I have 4 different blush options, and I feel like they really do last all day. And then finally we have our Anastasia Amerzy highlighter. You know I wear this all the time. When I'm not filming, I'm wearing this every single day because it's so pretty and it blends in super easily. And then I have my Soft Glam Anastasia palette. I feel like I haven't gotten enough use of this just because I leave it in my box and I don't want it to get dirty. I want it to stay pretty. So what better than taking it on my vacation where I get to wear it on the daily. The shades that are in this palette are perfect for an everyday look. You can go glam or you can go natural. I'm going to take my Essence Keep It Perfect Fixing Spray for sure because we all know that I have super dry skin and I want to keep my face looking dewy and refreshed. Lashes are a must, so I am ready with an entire pack of lashes, so I should be good for the entire week. And then I have my eyelash crimper just in case because I've never actually worn those lashes before, so just in case they are not curly enough, I can curl. Now the only thing we have left in here is brushes and sponges. I really like that this has like a little zipper so where you can keep stuff. And I decided to put all my eye brushes in here and my blush brush as well. So I already washed all my brushes so they're nice and clean. I have my blush brush, my highlighter brush, my under eye setting brush, and then I have all these that are eyeshadow brushes and my eyebrow brush as well. And for my face brushes, I only have 3. My Nars foundation, I really like to apply it with a brush, so I thought it would be perfect to take this guy. Also, this one's pretty much a multi-use brush, so I thought, why not? And then I gotta have my contouring brush. And finally, I'm taking 2 beauty sponges. This one's my all-time favorite. This is the Eco Tools. I love it because I can bake and make lines with this flat spot. And then I'm taking my mini one so I can put on my concealer. So I put my brushes right here, and then I go from biggest to smallest, putting my palette in here, my bronzer palette, Anastasia Lush Kit, Anastasia Highlight,
Anastasia, sponsor me.
my lotions, powders, foundation, primer, and fixing spray, face brushes on top, beauty sponges, and lashes. And then on a side little baggie that I am going to add on the very top, I have my lipsticks. So I'm taking my Kylie liquid lipstick in Kristen, Colourpop Times Square, and Colourpop Dreamy. These are really pretty nude shades that I can use with really any look. And then I'm taking my two Wet n Wild liquid lipsticks. These are the liquid cat suits. One is Missy and Fierce, and this one is Flame of the Game. In one of my recent videos, I talked about how when I mix these, it gives me the perfect red orange, and I think that color is super pretty for the summer. And other things I have in that little tiny bag is a Worth the Hype by NYX mascara, my NYX liquid liner, and my eyelash glue, along with my Anastasia brow pomade in dark brown. So I just put them all in here, and then I just place it right on top. And this is the end result. That is what I'm taking on my vacation. I hope I gave you some ideas of how you can pack for your next trip. Be sure to give me a like down below if this helped any. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you next time.